Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Okay, this is my first time getting Citrus Twist product. I did not subscribe. I just got a one-time kit because coffee is life, you guys. Coffee is everything. And when I saw this from Dearly D, she's part of the design team, I had to have it. And so I thought, okay, I'm gonna buy one kit and see what if it's as good as it looks on YouTube. So I got two kits though. I got one that was on clearance and one that is the new one, which I don't know. I like how they come like this though. That's awesome. That's already cool. And so you get a card that says "Get your happy on, packed with love, Citrus Twist kits. This moment." That's Bus. Bus is tired. Bus is the bulldog. This is the new kit. So let me save that one for a second. Let me go through this one because they had some that were on clearance, and this was like $20, where these are like $40. So that was a little bit pricey, and it's not too big of a discount when you subscribe. So I don't know if I want to do that just yet because I have a lot of kit subscriptions. Woof, I can talk. So let's see what you get. I don't know. I don't know what this kit is, but it looks cute online. So this is, I guess, a Project Life one. So you have, oh, so it is double-sided, which is cool. So let me see, me put it up. These have been featured with the design team, so I'm sure if you like them, then you probably already seen this one. I don't know what month it came out or anything like that, but I'm looking with you guys in case you haven't seen this one. Oh, he's so tired. Poor baby. He only sleeps 18 hours a day. So, let's see. I like the color. The color was beautiful. Sometimes it ends up different and it's better that way. Oh, how cute is that? So, oh, look at that. That's neat. May 2018. Okay, so this is last year. I think if I like it, I don't know if I'll subscribe because, like I said, it's expensive and I already have a lot of kit subscriptions right now. And I don't want to give up any of those just yet. I've been happy with all of them. So I get Scribble Prints Co. every month. I get Cocoa Daisy, Kelly Perky, Felicity Jane, and Spellbinders, Wild One Forever. So I have a lot, and but I'm thinking that, I think from what I understand, Black Friday, this company has a lot of their stuff on sale, and I'm thinking I might just save up money and just go hog wild for Black Friday, take my chances. So let me move this out of the way, and then let me bring in a black. Let me see about a paper. That way we can see it better together. Okay, that way we can try and see it. The die cuts anyways. Staycation. So this is Staycation. I'll scoot you in a minute. Weekend. Oh, see, I love these kind. I love tags. Tags are awesome. So tell me a story. Oh my goodness, you get a lot. My happy place. Look at this tag. Okay, so let me just show up. Let me get them up closer to you. I followed my heart. Oh, best of times. That's cat. This warrants a curse word. This warrants a curse word. How cute is that? And then these punch out, and it says this. Today. Here's the story. Rainy day. How cute is that? Gather together. Oh, that's great for the fur babies. And then wild and barefoot. Oh my gosh, look at this bookworm. Oh, I love that. The bookworm is awesome. I love books. And then you have a flower and then another star. It says the road is calling and I must go. And an ampersand, no, yeah, ampersand. And over it. I like how many die cuts you get. So sunshine. I love stars and hearts. Whew, I can never have enough stars and hearts on my PL layouts. So a lot of them. And then you have the little arrows. And it says, here's the scoop, can't get enough. How cute. Yes to this happening, unforgettable. And then you have a regular tag. Another regular tag. Another arrow. And let's run away. Another tag. And no, not tag, well, arrows maybe. There's probably a proper name for it, but that ain't gonna happen. Good eats. Tag. Distance is away. Flowers. An unforgettable good time. Remember this. Okay, so far I'm happy with all of these. All of these are pretty awesome. So, it says, you and I. More of these little flowers. Another punch thingy. Good stuff happens. Good stuff happens. Happy camper. Happy camper, there we go. Adventuring. More of those pointed arrows. And then you have, I'm not ready for this. And then obsessed. Noteworthy. More of these and more flowers and stars. So that's a lot. That's a lot of die cuts. Look at that. That's like a whole mess of them right here. So that's cool. Okay, so that's die cuts. These are the 3x4 cards. I like those. Ooh, I love puffy stickers. Puffy stickers are amazing. And look at these. Look at these. It says, oh, read. That's why I probably got it. Read, going, rest. Love this. Our night out. This life happening every now and then. Get comfortable. This is us. Let's go. Deal with it. Day tripping around here. You, me, little rebel. Oh, look at our cat. Those are super cute. I love the colors. Oh, and now look at the letters are awesome. Very nice turquoise color. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are awesome. Cardstock stickers. So these are sticker sentiments. You can never have enough sentiments. You really cannot. Oh, look at one for the books. Yep. Must be why I got it. Because they had a lot. They had a lot to choose from. But, so you only get one sheet? Yeah, it looks like one sheet. And then you get, oh, what is in here? Okay, so you get a stamp set that says unexpected, and then you get little sentiments all of a sudden. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Okay, and then this is, oh, so you get paper. You get regular 6x8 paper. I wonder if it's theirs or not. Okay, so you get a foil. I think it's thick foil. You only get one, but it's thick. So it feels like there's two. Oh, 4x6 card. That one's pretty. That one's really pretty. Oh, and it's double-sided. That's cool. Seek out the joy. In blue. Pretty. Oh, and look at this. These are cut-aparts. Oh, look how neat those are. I love that. Love tags. So I think this looks, yeah, this looks like Maggie Holmes. So it's not their own paper. So it's 6x8. And I think that's why I haven't really pulled the trigger, is because of that too. It's because I already get this stuff from Paper Issues and I don't want doubles. So I'll put this in a pile to give away to my friends, because I already have this set and I don't need to. But this is, yeah, this is like Maggie Holmes, I believe. Okay, I love this. This is awesome. Okay, so that's one kit, and I think that was $20. And then this is the one, this is the main kit that Dearly D showed that I was like, yep, have to have this one. So it says, make it a Venti kit. Yep. Let's see, will you focus? Yes, you will. Cute. It's a quote from J.K. Rowling. Okay, so let's look at the, let's look at this first. The cards. How wonderfully you have grown, it says. And it's double-sided. Time for an adventure. That one's really neat. I like that. This is how it started. How cute. Okay, so that's 2. You get 2, 3, 4, 'Love spending time with you. 5, 6. Oh, look at that. That's cute. 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9. Oh, I love that. Sometimes I even surprise myself. Okay, so that was the 3x4s. Let's look at the stamp set. So this one I've been watching them use, and it's been awesome. It's like your battery charger. How far are you running on empty or full? Or I love that. That one's awesome. So I love that stamp set. These are awesome chipboard. Do they have a name? No, just chipboard. So let's see. Do you want me to get closer? Let me get closer. Well, nobody's perfect. Okay, and then, oh, little ones. So tiny alphabet. And they're copper. They're copper foiled. No, it's awesome. Oh, I love the fact that they have numbers. The numbers are awesome. I cannot get enough numbers. So we have, oh, look at their puppy stickers. Their letters are puppy stickers. So I wonder if that's standard. Oh, and they have the numbers. Oh, love that. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to keep the two things separate. And let's go through. So this is another, who is this one? So this is the 4x6s. So this happened. And then the pink. And the cut apart. I like fussy cut and stuff, so that's up my alley. Oh, look, it's like a bookmark. I'm not afraid of storms, for I am learning how to sail my ship. Little Women, Louisa May Alcott. Let me show you. It's all... Oh, look, and they have two. Stay documented. That one's super cute. Okay, so this is, I think, also Maggie Holmes. This has, yeah, this has a feel of crepe paper. I wonder if this is crepe paper. Or is this Pink Fresh? There's no tag that says what they are, so... And I haven't looked at the new stuff I bought from Paper Issues to know if this is the inside of the one I just bought. But this has a crepe paper Maggie Holmes feel to it more than a Pink Fresh, but I don't know. But I don't know if I have this one or not. So that's cool. Okay, now this is like the ultimate awesomeness right here. I think I would like more of these stickers. These are so cool. That is so awesome. Okay, and then now here's the die cuts. Oh, look, we don't have to even take them out because they're right here. So which is easier to show you guys. And you get a lot. You get a lot of them. Oh, caffeine. It says, fueled by caffeine. Make it a venti. Come in, we are open. I like how there's just a random bird in there. Lion-hearted. I have a, what's it? I have a what? I have a, what? I have a spell for that? Huh. Cute. I just love that. So that's awesome. Okay. So that's that Vente kit. I like it. I like it. I do like it. I do like the kit. But like I said, I already get this part. So if they kept this part out, I think I'd like it even more. And if it wasn't too expensive, I would have gotten this one. But I like it. So I think on Black Friday, I'll see what they have and maybe buy more. So, all right, guys. Take it easy. We'll see y'all later. Bye.